Air supply start by the Payne furnace again. And there's a dangerous lamp that better avoid it. Wow. That's just from heat. This thing has a fire. It's an old heater. This is a more good view. There's the water heater. Not sure if you can see it, but I'll turn it on a light and this one's my mom's brother's room. Here's a more good view of it. There's the water heater. There's the main fan. No, is that beautiful? But the main burner's turned off, so that's a more of a good view. Well, the water heater's on, but the heater's in the house again. So see ya.